Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Make it full screen.
Gak bisa.
Already.
Iya, ready. Ulang. Okay. Okay. Today I want to presentation about Blender. So, Blender is an open source 3D creation suite that empowers artists, designers, and hobbyists to bring their visions to life. This session will provide a concise overview of Blender's key features, workflow, and capabilities, showcasing why it's become a leading tool in the 3D industry, from modeling and animation to rendering and compositing. Blender offers a comprehensive toolkit for creating stunning visual. Okay, next. Exploring Blender's cores and capabilities. First is intuitive user interface. Blender's highly customizable interface allows you to tailor the workspace to your preference, while node-based workflows streamline complex tasks. And the second is versatile modeling tools. From sculpting and retopology to polygon modeling, Blender provides a wide range of tools for creating intricate 3D models. And then the powerful animation and rigging. Bring your characters and objects to life with Blender's animation and rigging tools, ideal for character animation and motion graphic like CGI and other. Next is mastering the Blender workflow. The first is 3D viewport. 3D viewport is navigate and manipulate objects within a dynamic 3D environment. Like the first thing you open Blender, you will show the 3D viewport, and the next is outliner. Maintain a clear and organization structure for efficient workflow. So it's basically like if you want to add some texture, shader, and other. The next is properties editor. First editor is easily modify object attributes and parameters to achieve desired effect. And the last is timeline. Take control of your animation with precise timing and keyframe management. This is the animation progress. If you want to animate your 3D or something, so that sculpting your vision about modeling in Blender. The first modeling is primitive object. So basically primitive object is a basic shape like cubes, spheres, and cylinders as building blocks for your models. So it just the basic shape that the software give to you, and you can modify the basic shape into whatever you want. Then the next is non-destructive modifiers. It can experiment with modifiers like subdivision surface for flexible and non-destructive editing. So subdivision surface is for smoothing your object. Like if you want the corner to become smooth, you can use the subdivision surface. And in Blender, there is a lot of modifier that you can use, like array for duplicating for precisely, and then mirroring for mirror object to x-axis or y-axis. Okay, and the last is digital sculpting. Digital sculpting is mold your models like digital clay, adding intricate details and organic forms. So organic form is for creating a character like 3D CGI or something like that. Okay, bringing your creation to life, animation and rigging. The next is animation and rigging. So if you want to rig, that is, you will use an armature. So armature is a bone from Blender that can be used to uh, move your 3D characters. And the next is keyframing. Keyframing at set object position over time to create dynamics animations. It's like for the animation, and you can uh, manipulate the curve for better animation. And the last is drivers, automate animation based on object properties for complex movement. So it maybe it's GeoNode. And Blender simplifies the animation process with tools like armatures, which allow for character rigging, create automated animation based on project properties, and morphing. And this is maybe the last step for Blender is rendering realism, cycles, and Eevee. So in Blender there is three three of rendering. The first is cycles. Cycles is achieve for photorealistic result with cycles. Blender's physically based path trace rendering engine. So it basically the low one of rendering. And the next is Eevee. Eevee is experience real-time rendering with Eevee perfect for preview and game development. So Eevee is the high method of rendering. So if you want to render the light and for making a realistic 3D, you have to use Eevee, because in Eevee the detail will be show yes, will be better. And the next is node based material. Create custom shaders and materials with Blender's versatile node editor, adding depth and realism to your scene. So it is a geometry node, the most difficult feature on Blender. And last, Blender can be used in first is film and animation, create stunning visual effect and short film. And Blender 2 is the application that make Flow the winner of Oscar 2024. And then the next is game development. So there is a developer can make a model, texture, and animate asset for games. So they make it in Blender, and then they convert the file to the game development software. And the next is architectural visualization, like visualize building design with photorealistic renderings. So if you want to make a building, you can make first in Blender for the blueprint or viewport. And the last is 3D printing. 3D printing is for maybe an action figure and others like model object for 3D printing. Okay, and you can download Blender in blender.org. You can search it on Google, and it is free. It's free, and you can explore the online stores like add-ons and extension in Blender, because the community of Blender is wide and international. Okay, maybe that's all for my presentation about Blender. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.